In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change URL links on products in Stan Store. First things first, head over to their website, which is stan.store. Once you're in there, click on the discontinue option in order to actually create an account, or you can also click on this sign up. So on my case, since I already have an account, I'll just click on this login, which is beside that. Let's click on this login. Now here is my Stan Store. To change the URL links on your products, click on this My Store option. From in there, you can see your store. Just choose right here which product you want to change the link. For example, I have in here this ebook. Click onto these three dots. And when you click on this copy URL, you should be able to get the URL for this particular product. However, we want to actually change it. So to do that, click on these three dots. Click on this edit product. And then this will open the editor. You can see the actual options for this as well. Head over right here to the options. You can see in here some options and make sure to open the advanced. You can see the page URL, which is this ebook option. So let's head over and change that, and then let's just name it as ebook 1. If it's available, it will be added. But once it's done, click on publish and it will change the URL altogether. So earlier, the URL is actually this, which we copied earlier. When you go over to this link now, this will be added, or this is what it will show onto your screen. Here it is right here. If you wanted to get the new URL, just click onto the three dots, copy the URL again, and here we have our new URL for the actual ebook. It here will redirect it to that particular part. So here it is right here. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.